Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of WanderRust. Today we're actually going to be working on my 93 Mazda RX7. I have the entire inside kind of pulled apart. We're going to be working on this rusted dash bar. And, Texas summers are brutal for interiors, and Mazda has some of the crackiest plastic. Is that a word? Crackiest. It cracks a lot. And so all of this stuff behind the dash is completely cracked where the gauges mount all throughout. So we're going to be using a two-part epoxy to bring everything back together, sand all the joints, glue it up, and then put it all back together. So let's get started. All right, let's get this stuff outside and we'll get it all Alright, so what I'm about to do, these cracks that we have in the dash, I'm going to go ahead and open these up, create a V-shaped channel using our favorite rotary tool, the Dremel, and we'll go ahead, and this is going to give it a little bit of space for the epoxy to kind of get into.